Recon man, back with a couple repairs. Got a couple splits in the seat of this Toyota Avalon, and if you notice look how dirty it is. Wait till I get done with this bad boy, and look at that. That's fun to put your head against, huh? Well, let me get after this. And we're gonna throw this steering wheel repair in on the same video. So we got a seat repair on an Avalon and a GMC Sierra Duramax steering wheel repair. Alright, hit it with some 220. Got it roughed in. Then went to some 400 and got it nice and feathered and smoothed out. She's ready to clean and die. Just wanted to show this Avalon seat one more time before I start on it. Look at that. Look how nasty that is. Back in a minute. And here's how you get rid of the crud like that. Lots of elbow grease. I think this is what they refer to as Jerry curl. Could be wrong. Alright, I'll bring you back once I get it off. Now we're going to repair that and that as well. And that. I'm going to try to do something with that. Back with the finished product on the steering wheel on the Sierra. Back with the finished product on the Avalon. I think you'll agree. The seat now compared to what it looked like, you know, all that good stuff is gone. All that grime scrubbed off. And nice little coated dye over the top. Scrubbed the steering wheel, dyed it. Same with the console. That wraps this one up. Later.